Welcome back to Java classes. In previous tutorial we have seen how to use packages, inbuilt packages and user defined packages. In my previous tutorials you have seen how to create different classes for the package and how can we access the variables in this package in some another class. Today we'll see how to use the functions. We can make a package of some functions which we usually need, and instead of coding them again and again, we will write them in one package and we will just access that package and we will be using the same functions. It is just to reuse the code instead of rebuilding it. It is also called as encapsulation. What we will do is we will create a new package today. Say for example we have one package which does all the calculations. For example, if anybody needs tax related calculation, they have used mathematical formula and they need it again and again. So we'll be creating one package with the name calculation, and we will need one class. We'll say it as a tax calculation. Say finish. Okay, now we have a package called as calculation, and we have a class called as a tax calculation. Now in this we'll be using one function, make it public so that we can access it anywhere else. So this function we'll give a name as say void okay, we'll just return some value. So we'll say float and VAT calculation. We'll take some amount from the user on which we need to calculate VAT. Okay, now we'll declare one variable, float tax is equal to zero, just initializing it. And now tax equal to amount into 0.125, 12% of the amount, and we will return tax. Okay, now it's still showing an error. So this error is because the calculation of both of this we need to convert, typecast it into a float. That's what it is saying. What we'll do, we will just say add cast to the float, double click it will do it for you. Okay, everything is gone, there are no errors, there is nothing. We have created one package called as calculation. In that we have a class called as tax calculation, in that we have a function called as VAT calculation. So we have one common package in which we'll be adding different functions which we will just call whenever we need. So in this class we need to do is just import calculations dot start. Okay, we'll create an object for the class tax calculation. TC equal to new tax calculation. Okay, semicolon, and just TC dot VAT calculation. Now here we'll need one variable amount. We just declare it here, say float amount. We'll just hard code some value, some big amount like this. Just remove this. Pass this variable. Now the problem is what we'll do is we'll directly print this. So whenever we are calling it, we are calling the function, passing the value, and now we are directly printing it. save all, execute the code. Okay, we can see this amount wherein it is calculating 12%, 12.5% of this value. Okay, okay, that's all for today. This is how we can use the functions, user defined packages. In that packages, this is how we access the variables, and this is how we call the functions. Thank you for watching the video.